What's up guys, Arden here with Yellow House Aerial, and today we're talking about should you get more drone batteries or just use a generator to keep charging and to keep on flying. If you're out flying your drone, you're going to be in one of three scenarios. 1, you have a power hookup and you can charge at will. 2, you have enough batteries to get the job done without charging. Or 3, bring a generator and find the best of both worlds. Having access to a wall outlet is nice, but not always possible if you're out filming, surveying, or traveling. Sometimes you can get away without charging on short jobs, single shots, or if you have a whole hard case full of batteries, but that's not always the best investment, as I'll show you in this video, unless you actually can't take a generator wherever you're shooting. For a recent surveying gig, I rented a Honda 2K generator from Herc Rentals, or formerly Hertz. The generator worked flawlessly and allowed us to fly an 8-hour day with no stopping with our 8 pairs of batteries and 3 chargers. 3 Inspire 2 chargers is about 600 watts out of 1800 watts rated continuous output for this generator, so the generator would actually run probably at least 8 hours on that load without having to refuel. One of the things I asked myself was, should we rent this generator or buy one? It's $50 to rent and $1,200 to buy, and if you factor in the time that it takes you to go and get it and drop it off afterwards, it's about $100 per use. So for $1,200 for a new one, if you can see yourself using one at least 10 times, it's probably worth going to pick one up. Lastly, Honda makes quality machines and they run forever, so if you are looking at buying one, keep in mind that you can actually flip it and sell it down the road for about $400 even after you've used it for a few years. If you haven't already, check out this video to see if you need a generator or if you might be able to squeak by with one extra battery. If you enjoyed this, give us a like down below. Consider subscribing to see what else we're into. My name is Arden Shibley for Yellow House Aerial. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.